What are you doing? You eating chicken? Is it good? Is it yummy? Yeah? Yum, yum, yum? Can we not pick our nose? Kennedy. Ew! What are you doing? Did Daddy teach you how to do that? That's gross. Why don't you eat some of your chicken instead of your boogies? Eat your chicken. Eat your chicken. What?
Yeah.
Eat your chicken. Chicken. Eat your chicken. Baby. Tell that no bad dog. No bad dog. Yes. No bad dog. Dog. Chicken. Chicken. Nom nom nom. Nom nom nom. Yeah? Baby. Baby. No. I. Hair. Where's your hair? Good job. There's your hair. Okay, you don't have to pull it. Eat your chicken. Chicken? Here, a bite. Bite. Yummy. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Can you blow kisses? Mwah. Love you. Mwah. 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 No, just wave bye-bye then. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.